here at the gallery. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. All these beautiful vibrations. This is so cool. This is where we will be having the assembly of stars with Black Owned Philly United, October Gallery, and the Dominican Life, of course. I'm doing like all these spins and turns and things. And just giving y'all a little walkthrough. Those are the two rooms. And then this is the third. We'll have some chairs. We'll have a presentation type of thing. And you'll have your own platform. You speak about what it is you do, what it is you have, what you're offering, how you're contributing to the upliftment of our community, to America and abroad. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I gotta keep turning. I can't keep turning.